Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing the legendary Cyborg Robocop Pack 16. So in this pack we're doing 59, 60, 61 and 62. So this should be a really good pack. Quite excited about this one. And let's just get this opened up. That's the easiest way I find to rip these open. So this is the parts in 59. And let's just take a look at our magazine. I am really enjoying this build. So we are just finishing off our bracket and base, so we will get on with that. So yep, so let's get this build started. We did get some more of this foam felt or whatever you like to call it. So we did have one more from the previous pack, so I'm gonna use that one and save that one for, you don't know, it might fall off or something like that. So I'm just lining that up, and as you know by now, I try to get this as straight as possible, and just trying to follow that line. I think we're okay, and there we go. So that's now in place. I guess we can do this. Let's bring it a bit closer. So with this part, what we need to do, we have our spring here. So the spring needs to just fall in just like that. And with the other side from the previous pack, it will slot in this side of the spring into that cavity. So we're gonna try and get that. There we go. Yep. And we need a VM screw, and I did put a bit of oil into that because I want this quite tight. You might not need to put some oil, but I did. And see if that will help. It is quite easy with the oil, and yep, and it springs quite well. So that is that part done. So we need to bring over now our rod. Now I'm not sure if there is a side more preferable, so it's the second hole. So you could see it's that one, that this will go in this angle just there. So I'm just checking if that will fit in. It's a bit difficult. Let's see this side, and it slots in straight away on that side. So you can see it will kind of go in one way. So we need a EM screw, and we're just gonna get this screwed in place now. So that's the first one. This is the next one. And there we go. Perfect. So that's very solid in place. So I'm going to bring over our base. Now, I'm not sure on how tight this is to fit in. Let's just see. That's quite tight. Sorry about that. It is tight. It's a bit wobbly though, isn't it? Wow. It's okay. That's all I'm gonna say. It's not bad, but yeah. Okay, so that's done, and that's the end of this issue. So let's move on to our next one. This is issue 60. Nope. And let's just open that up. These are the parts in issue 60. So I think I know where that's going. And we're going to take a look at this magazine. So let's get on with this again. And yeah, I thought so. It's the back of this. Magazine's all crunched up. So let's get this fitted. We have our Robocop back. And I'm gonna try and lay this and like that. Carefully put this down. So this will just clip on. You have 2 holes here and 2 pegs. Well, actually 4 I could see. 4. And those will just slot in place. And so you need to make sure all the pins line up. And push that together. There we go. Excellent. Now we need 2 EP screws, 1 here and 1 there. So it's going into plastic, so I'm just gonna get the first one in, and then I will get the other one in as well. So that's both of them now screwed in place, and that is coming along nicely. So I am really enjoying that. So that's the end of this issue. Let's move on to the next one. This is issue 61. I have no idea. You look, much as you can, you can't open that. So I'm just gonna open this up. And this is parts for 61. And we will take a look at our magazine. That's a good picture. So we just putting that over. So we will open this up and get that fitted. So we need our Robocop back. And just gonna leave him like that for now. And with this part, hopefully you will see this. It is a way to put this. This is a rubber material. And it's not this way. You could see it is this way. It will need to face forward and just slot over. Let me just tip this slightly. And this will just go over this section. I'm trying. I think that's all it goes. Just there. So you can see that. So we're working on our torso parts. So that looks great. So that is the end of this issue. So that's the way that looks. And let's get on with the next one. This is our final issue in the pack. And this is issue 62. Being fast pack. Really? Oh. So we fitting the, well, I'm hope we're fitting the inner of the upper part of the body. And let's take a look at our magazine. Oh wow. So nope, we're just taking a look at this. So I'm gonna open this up. So this is the chest part, and you could see this is where the speaker will go. And I think maybe the next part, I'm not sure if the micro board will go here, but that is it. We ain't gonna fit this at all. So let's get our Robocop over as well. And this is the Robocop. I will try and lay this very carefully down, just so you can see that. That is... I think we're okay. Okay. So if you could do us a massive favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Look forward to seeing you all next time. That's goodbye for now.